Merhaba everyone, I have a delicious and easy spread to brighten up your breakfast or use as a dipping sauce with meat, pasta dishes. Either way, it's perfect for enjoying the rich summer taste of grilled tomatoes, red peppers, some spices and walnuts year long. So let's begin. I have 1.5 kilogram red pepper, 1 kilogram tomato, 1 big head of garlic, a mix of 7 spices. I'm gonna explain the ingredients later, the spices. About half cup to 1 cup walnuts, some salt, about 1 heaped tablespoon red pepper paste. I have mix of red pepper and tomato. I'm gonna use this. And about more than half cups of extra virgin olive oil. First, I'm going to peel my tomatoes. To make it easily, I'm gonna cut an X on the bottom of the tomato. And boil in hot water for about 2 minutes until I can easily peel it off. In Turkey, to grill vegetables, we have this tin pan. You can also grill them in the oven, but you get the taste better, the smoky flavor when you do it like this on stove top. I'm working with all of them together, and here is the second batch of the tomatoes, and now I can easily peel it. It's still hot, so I couldn't touch it that much. From time to time, I'm turning over the red peppers until I have some nice color and they are soft in all sides. The first one is ready. Keep them closed to make steam inside so you can peel it better later on. Now I'm gonna take out the stem part of the tomatoes and cut them roughly into 3-4 pieces and process until it's pureed completely. If there is a clear juice in the bowl left, don't use it because we already want to thicken our sauce, so you don't have to add that. Checking my peppers again, and I'm gonna continue to grill them until I finish. Meanwhile, I will begin to cook my tomato sauce in about half cup of olive oil. If I need, I'm gonna add more later. Make sure to thicken the tomato sauce before adding the other ingredients. And while I do that, I will begin to peel my red peppers. Since it was steamy and wet inside the bowl, as you can see, it's not very hard to peel them. First, I peeled everything and then begin to take out the seeds and the stem parts. To help pureeing it, you can roughly cut it into cubes and then put it to the food processor. My tomato sauce is thickened well, so now I can add the pepper paste, about 1 heaped tablespoon. And going to cook for a couple of minutes before adding the red peppers. As you can see, I have nice thick sauce again. with the tomatoes and red pepper paste. Now it's time to add the grilled red peppers. I'm gonna continue to simmer, stirring from time to time until it has nice spreadable consistency. And meanwhile, I'm sterilizing my jars so I can keep them year long. It's time to flavor our ajuca sauce. I added about 2 teaspoons salt and about 1/4 of a cup more olive oil. If you want to can the sauce, make sure to sterilize the lids and the utensils you're gonna use. Now it's time to add the spices. Here is the colorful and flavorful 7 spices I'm gonna use. In Turkish it has nane, çemen, toz biber, poy otu, kekik, sumak, kişniş, pul biber. The spice mix is very intense in flavor. You can use in breakfast. Just dip the bread into olive oil and then this spice mix. Rub it before grilling your chicken. Season your potato chips. It's very delicious. I didn't want to add everything all at once. Wanted to taste before. That's why I mixed everything in a bowl and gradually added to my sauce. Along with the spices, I'm adding 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and half to a little more than half cup chopped walnuts. And final ingredient, about a teaspoon of sugar. I tasted and added more from the spice mix. It will probably hard to find the spice mix unless you come visit Turkey. Make sure to buy. You can do it your own. Just add 1 teaspoon each from every spice to a bowl and then you gradually add to the sauce by tasting until you have the desired flavor. I got about 4 small jars of this delicious ajuca sauce and a bit left to enjoy in the breakfast. It was very delicious, my friends. We opened the second jar the next day, so I need to do more if I want to keep it for the winter. So give it a try and share your thoughts with me if you have similar recipes. On my channel, I also have tomato and red pepper paste recipes. Make sure to check them if you want to make at home. Another ajuca recipe from store-bought tomato and red pepper paste. An ajvar recipe which has grilled eggplants along with red peppers. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.